Hi guys. So today I will be continue what I did yesterday, and I filmed the whole day yesterday, but I forgot a little adapter on the microphone, so there was no audio, and that was not so fun, so I just deleted it all. And what I was doing was going down the Sweden Trail. That is almost like Trans-Euro Trail, except, well, just another gravel road. It's community based. You go out on the road and then you report back to the guy that made this, and he will edit it if there are gates or if there are forbidden motorcycle signs or something like that. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And first off, I'm gonna go to a little place called Bmw and start off there, because that's what I ended yesterday. I was starting north in the county of Halland in Sweden yesterday, and I went south and got about halfway, so I'm gonna do the last half today. But I have about 50 kilometers to go on tarmac before I reach my starting point. So I will get back to you when I'm there. Adios. So guys, I am getting close to Bmw, where I left off yesterday, not the night, yesterday. And this is the track, Sweden Trail. And wait a minute, I took the wrong off-ramp and ended up in Egypt or something, because this is not the typical Swedish animals. It's got to be a circus or something. Either that or I'm in Egypt. Hi. There's like camels. Do camel have two humps? Or is that dromedar? What the hell? This is whatever they're called in English, but this is llamas. Maybe I'm in Asia. Hello. Oh yeah, it's gotta be a circus. Maybe I'm in Sweden still, hopefully. Well, back to the track. Seems to be a little bit transportation on tarmac here. And rain, what the fuck is this? I was told by the weather forecast there will be no rain. But they've been wrong for 60 years or so, so I guess I will get wet today. Okay, gravel. I need gravel. Yay, I got gravel. Oh, wait. I'm in the wrong drive mode. Enduro Pro, that's what we need. Yep. Okay, let's go. Seems to be some tracks from another bike. Since I haven't been here before, I don't know how the road goes. Track. A house. So a car, yeah. Is almost parked. Someone's been out wide. Okay, I get why. Okay, I'm going this way. I think this. No, it was that way. Here it should be. Okay, so what is happening here? Ah, hunters. They probably don't like motorcyclists. I'm saving the animals. That's a deep track after all. Am I in the right? Yes, still in the right. Ooh, this is soft. Is that a bone? No, what the f... Ah, I'm not going that way. I'm going this way. There's a lot of those hunter towers here. This could get exciting. Yep, this is right. Okay, where I'm going in here. Yep. It's a lot of different road types. So far, no problem. Can't get. Then we go in there. Okay. Still with me. I need to take a leak. And of course, I'm not gonna let you watch that. If you're a guy, you would never feel like a man again. So I'm gonna shut you off. Yep. So we're back at it again. Where's the road there? Okay, this way. Yep, this way. Tracks says that way. Yeah. Okay. And the road is somewhere here, I hope. Ooh. Is this a road? It is a road, but it's not a good one. It's a slippery one, a lot of moss. Okay, and now we are, there is, det var en jävla stubbe där. The fuck is that? Oh, I hate this shit. I need to pause.